This is a lesson introducing the addition board or the addition strip board, and the purpose is to provide a systematic exercise in practicing and learning the addition tables. It also helps the children to understand that numbers are predictable and that they're always the same. Okay, so the material consists of a wooden board and wooden rulers, just like this in blue and red. I'm using a printed version here today, and I also have a simplified version that only goes to 10 with larger numbers and larger rulers that can be cut out on cardstock. This version goes all the way up to 18, so you can children can learn larger numbers. Okay, and to start with, I have this addition tables paper, and this is the sevens, but you can really start with any. And so the child will take the 7, and these are paper. They're not on cardstock, so they're going to move around a little bit, so bear with me. And the child lines it up plus 1. Seven plus 1 equals, and they look above to see that it makes 8. And that gets recorded here. Okay. And we'll put this back and try the next combination. 7 plus 2. And they can see that 7 plus 2 equals 9. And they'll continue on that way, returning the rulers in order. Let's do one more. 7 plus 3 equals 10. The thing I like about this activity is that the first set of rulers don't have grids, and so it encourages the children to count on if they haven't already started doing that with the bead bars. Okay, now once the child has completed this table, whichever one they've done, you can teach them how to use something called a control chart. And this is the addition control chart. It has the answers. And so then they can find the table they're working on, the 7s, and they can check their own work. Okay. Now, once they've worked through the tables in order, they can work through another set, and this time the first addend is in order, but the second addend is mixed. And they can do this for the 7s, the 1s, the 2s, the 3s, and so on. And again, checking their own work with the control chart. And finally, they can work on problems with the addition board that are mixed. Okay, and there's lots of different combinations of these. Okay, now, after that, another thing that they can do is they can make combinations of any number. Okay, so say for example, they start with, let's start with 8. Okay, so we are going to try to make 8. So we'll start here with the 1. 1 plus how many more makes 8? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1 plus 7 equals 8. And this can be recorded or not. Let's do the next one. 2 plus how much equals 8? Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 plus 6 equals 8. Let's do one more. 3. Oh, I know. 3 plus 5 equals 8. And you can see how this will help children to start to memorize those patterns in the addition tables. Okay, and they can continue on like this until all of the rulers are used. And then again, they can try a different number. All right.